license, registration, proof of insurance?
What's the reason why you put me over?
You have a brake light out.
Oh, the brake light?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yep.
Because I just got fixed. I can show the receipt. I just got fixed yesterday.
Unfortunately, it's
if
not
it's
working.
right, oh, if it's right, thank you. Let me know that though.
Okay. Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I don't think you know all those stuff for now, sir.
What's that?
I'm about to go, man. Okay.
Oh, I'll even work with you. Don't worry about the insurance or registration.
No.
You can grab your license.
I'll give you whatever you want, man. Just, I don't know why you pulled me over. My brake light is fine. Just, I don't know why it's not working. That is my registration number. I think this is the one right here you need, right?
Yeah, sure, thank you.
Yeah.
And your license.
So why should I have to give all those stuff for my brakes? I just got fixed. You got there's a contract right there you can read. I got 60 days to get fixed, so I don't have to give you all those stuff.
You do. You have to identify yourself. I have to identify you.
You might gonna read that contract, the state that proof that for me. So you might gonna read that before I give you all the rest of the information if you need.
Okay. I need your license.
I'm sorry. I'm just gonna put the window down.
Yep.
You might gonna read the contract right there if you don't mind, though. So before you keep bothering me.
I understand.
All right, go ahead, read it first. You know,
I don't need to read
it's my right for you to know that before you ask me anything, cause
sir,
I'm tired with that.
To operate a motor vehicle in the state of Maine, you have
you
to
need
identify
a license.
yourself. Okay?
Yes.
You've been pulled over.
For what reason? Okay. Which I give you the reason why you might be out. So
it's not the crime of the century. You're getting yourself worked up for nothing. Okay.
No, it's not for nothing because even the person is involved with the mechanic issues, you not bother them. Why you bother me?
That's not my issue with you.
Oh, why? It's not your issues?
You have with your mechanic?
Yeah.
No, nothing to do
actually,
with
it's a dealership.
Okay.
Okay.
Work that out with them. But for now, I need a license.
It's right there.
Are you refusing to get a license? To prove? Are you refusing to do that, sir? Well, yes. Or no?
Oh, you want to pull a gun on me?
No.
That's what you try to do. I saw that. I see you every day. I know you pretty much since your first day start working here, bro. Okay. And I know who you are. Okay. So don't try to take advantage on me because you just want to get my license. I got my license.
Are you refusing to get a license?
I'm not saying I refuse to give my license, but I'm telling you, I just got the car fixed yesterday. You got the contract in your hands. You can read before you keep harassing me, man.
I'm not harassing.
Because I'm here picking up somebody, which I'm about to go to work.
Stop, sir.
It's right there. Just read it. I got my license right here. I do. But before I give you my license, you read that contract right there, and we good.
I don't need to read it.
Why not?
Because what I pulled you over is for your driver's side brake light.
That's not the reason. First of all, the reason you pulled me over because you showed me right there. I was looking, trying to see if the person is over there.
Can I get another unit, please?
All right, go for back up. You go for back up?
Yeah.
Who you call your supervisor? Call your supervisor for me. You got the contract in your hands.
You have a license, sir.
I do have my license. You waste my time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, sir. Stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back with you.
Yeah. God damn. Harassing people, that's what you know. You don't even do your job right. Talking shit. Hey, call for more block up. Shit. Oh, it's a nigga. Because he knows me. Fuck out of here. Bullshit. What's up? Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you?
I'm just hanging out.
Oh, okay. Cause you kinda.
Sorry?
Can I help you?
With what? I'm a police officer. I'm doing my job. I'm just watching your vehicle.
Now, thank you for introducing this. Now I know who you are now.
Can I help you? Why are you so angry with me?
Because this is my home. Here, I grew up here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not saying it's not.
So why I got pulled over then?
I don't know. I'm not the officer who pulled you over. We'll find out here in a minute.
Thought so.
Usually it helps if you're actually polite. That goes a lot smoother. I do know that much. I know I haven't been rude to you.
Alright, sir, here you go. Here's your license and all your paperwork. Like I said, just try to get that fixed in the meantime, alright?
Okay, this is
Have
the
a
point.
good day.
Okay, help me out, please. I got a question. Please. I got a question. One more question, please. Man, you gotta help me.